Hey everyone, welcome back to my crypto trading bot journey. It is, I believe, day 35, and usually I'd be doing a check-in about my crypto bots, but I'll be doing a separate video about that either later today or tomorrow. But today, what we're going to do is do an update on my Shiba Inu trading bot. So if you haven't been following along, SHIB has been on a tear. It's up almost, I believe, over 100% over the last 7 days. And actually, let's just go ahead and pull up the chart so we could go ahead and see it. So here we go. As you can see, Shiba Inu is now the 11th ranked cryptocurrency overall. So it has a market cap of $21 billion and is at, I'm just gonna, it's 4 zeros, but I'm gonna skip saying the zeros. It's 59.13 right now. And here it is over the last 7 days, 111%. So it has been on a tear. It's been crazy. And I mentioned this previously, but I have traditionally been staying away from meme, or as some people would say, shit coins. But when I first saw SHIB pump, my first question was, how would SHIB do in a crypto bot? And that's exactly what I did. I've had SHIB in my demo bot for, I believe, 19 days, 19, 20 days, and in my live account, I've had it for about 17 days. And as I am doing this analysis, my next question was, what it was the difference would have been if I had just purchased the coin outright and held versus putting it into the bot. And I'll answer that question at the end, but yeah, let's just go ahead and pull up the bots. So here we go. Here's my, what bot is this? Yeah, here we go. These are my demo bots, and as you can see, I started this about almost 20 days ago. It's given 1.79% average daily return for a bot profit of $1,013 for a 33% return. So I missed these first few days of bot profits, so you'll see in my live account. Let me just pull up the live account right now. So here is my live account, and as you can see, here's SHIB, and it's been running for almost 17 days, 16 days, 23 hours. It's given me an average daily return of 1.17%, and it's done 2,771 transactions for a bot profit of $561, which is 18.7% return. And yeah, let's see, we could see, I'll pull up the chart here, and we could see when I actually started the bot. It was started around, here it is, October 17th. Oh, I'm sorry, October 10th at about 25:59, around 2500. So as you can see, it's trailed. I have trailing onset. So as the bot goes up and goes up, or as the crypto pair goes up, as SHIB goes up, the bot will follow it along and make buys and sells based off of that. What I also wanted to show was the actual details. So let me pull up the details of the bot. So here's what I had, and as you can see, when I first put it in the bot, I put in $3,000 into the bot, and that what it did is that it purchased 40,822,107.5932 SHIB, and it left me, so that was about a little more than $1,000, and it left $1,925 in cash USD. And now it's obviously been going up and buying and selling SHIB while it's been going up, and I now have $5,796,109, or 109 SHIB, and $3,220 in cash. So my value is $33,548. So let's go ahead and just put it back over here. So as you can see, it's maybe a bot profit of $561. So the question is, how much would I have if I just bought SHIB and just held it? So as I mentioned, I bought 40 million SHIB. So let's go ahead and bring up a calculator real quick. Here we go. And we'll say 40 million 822,107. And I believe we said SHIB is now at, what is that, 5913. 5913 times 0.1234, 5913. How much would I have now? I would have $2,413 if I had just bought and held that, compared to, you know, a bot profit right now is what, $1,500? Because I started with 3,000. I'd have, and I bought, you know, about $1,000 worth, so I'd have about $1,500 right now. So so the bot profit of this was, you know, $1,400 compared to my bot profit of $556. So as you can see, if I just held the coin, I would have more profit than putting it into the crypto bot. Now, will this last? Who knows? I plan to hold SHIB as one of my bots for a little while, so we can see how this plays out. But if we are talking about numbers today, it definitely would have been the better decision to buy and hold SHIB instead of putting it into the crypto bot. So, as you can see, the conclusion you can come up to is, if you think a coin is going to go parabolic and you want as much profit as possible, then having it in a bot is probably not one you want to do. You know, it definitely limits your upside. So as you can see, it's going to follow the trading pair and make buys and sells as it goes, but it's definitely going to limit your upside, because it's going to be selling as you go up, as the coin pair goes up in value. So, on the other hand, if you were holding the coin, would you be selling and taking any profits? Now that's a tough one, right? Now, if you're a disciplined investor, then you would probably take some off the top and you would have set sell targets. But, most people, we are not disciplined. And when you see it move 100% in a week, you're probably thinking to yourself that you're going to get 200% returns, 500% returns, 1,000% returns. And you're going to turn this, $1,000 into 100,000, or, you're hoping it's going to go to 1 million. So, greed, it definitely kicks in pretty fast, and everyone who was here in 2017 knows that. Like, if you were around back then, everyone thought Bitcoin was going to go to, $100,000, 30, 50,000, 30,000, heck, even $25,000. But as we all know, Bitcoin crashed and we had crypto winter, and a lot of people were left holding bags. Now, if you held the past, 4 years, everything definitely turned out all right, as we are way past those price targets that we had in 2018. But yeah, when greed kicks in, it gets tougher to remember your sell targets. And having a bot that takes profits for you, it's awesome, because you really don't have to think about it. So yeah, that's pretty much the summary. I put a summary page here as well. Let's see. So here's what numbers would look like. And these numbers were taken a little bit earlier, because as you can see, I think what did we say? We would be at $2,400 right now. So I did this. This is just in the last hour that SHIB's gone up in value. So, I started with the trading bot with $1,078. That was buying the 40 million SHIB, and right now the value as of October 26 is, my SHIB trading bot would have turned that $1,078 into $1,551, and my SHIB holdings would be, like I said, this is it's a little bit lower, but $2,200. So the profit with comparing is $556 versus $1,200, or a 51% return versus 116% return. So yeah, that's the summary of the Shiba Inu trading bot. Hope you like the update. And if you're enjoying following along on this journey, please remember to subscribe and smash that like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and helps me grow this channel. I'm glad to have you join me on my journey. And as always, fiat and gold is dead. Crypto is the future, and the future is now. See you all on the next video.